off the ground, and just wanted to show you the play in the control arm when I move it up and down. Okay, let me just... I don't know if I'll be able to tell because my hand is shaking too. There's play in this ball joint, so we're replacing this control arm. To loosen the nut, and then I'm going to use a pickle fork to separate the knuckle and the ball joint on the control arm. We can remove the nut and keep going in this control arm. Separate it. On the top, there's one bolt here, 17mm, and one right there, and this control arm is going to be ready to come out. Alright, the control arm is out, so this is a new one, and you can see you have to tighten these nuts and bolts right here, and you have to compare that this thing has to be like in the top position, basically like that, and then after that you can, you know, do these side bolts and nuts, so it's not wobbling anymore. So these side bolts and nuts are tightened. That's how it looks. Now we can put it on. I'm gonna put these, one nut is on, put the second one on. Everything is tightened on this thing. Now I just have to put this bulge in there and connect it with the steering knuckle, and then put the nut through, and then finally the cotter pin. Finally, just put the cotter pin through. You're gonna be done with the control arm.